Welcome everybody, it's Artist King again, back with another video. Today I'm using a canvas. It's not like stretched or anything like that. It's just I have this big roll of canvas that's already been gessoed. So I cut a piece and a piece of it and decided to do I would say this would be mixed media. So I'm using two different colors, like a bronze and kind of a flesh color. And I'm using my roller. I love how that, the lines that it makes. I wrap a rubber band around it and put it in the little slot and dip it in the paint and just roll it. And it gives that nice background. So here I've done some stencils. I've used green. And I'm using a light blue and lilac color because I don't want to get the background too dark. So I decided this time I'm going to use some light colors on it. So that's what I'm doing, just filling up with different stencils, different patterns before I put anything else on it. So I bought some new stencils that I was so eager to try out. So I used some smaller stencils, some flowers to fill up the background. So I'm using like blues and pink and just some light colors. And I love how the blue stencil turned out, the blue flower. I think that turned out really well. So this is a stencil that I just got from the Amazon guy. It wasn't even like an hour or so before, and I ripped it open. I was really anxious to use it. So you'll see it in a minute, but I'm just gonna fill up with some pink flowers. I didn't want to use too many dark colors to kind of take away from the stencil that I'm gonna put up in the middle and on the side. So that's why I didn't fill it up with a lot of dark colors. But I think I will have to try and find me some more ink pads with some different colors. Because I find like sometimes like the yellow and the pink and the light green, you really don't see those colors that much when you use, when you're trying to do a piece like this. So there's the stencil I just got from the Amazon guy. Usually they leave it on your doorstep. Well, I walked out to my front gate to get it from him because I was so anxious to get it. So, we'll see in a second. I'm using black on that one because I want you to see exactly how it turns out. I don't want it to get lost in the other colors. So that's why I did this outline with black. What I should have done was use red on the lips of the person because it's a picture it's a stencil of a female face. See, and I should have used red for the lips, but I didn't think of that. Like I said, I was just anxious to use it. And then I have a little bit of these words that I put on the side, which I think I really like. So there you see, she believed she could, so she did. I like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill it up with some more flowers and different type of stencils on there. Yeah, put some more blue and pink. Like I said, I tried to use more lighter colors, but some of them you were unable to see. But that's okay. I still really like how this piece turned out. So anyway, guys, if you love this video, I hope you try one for yourself. The stencils are not that expensive. I think I got like 12 different stencils in a pack, and I think I paid like $10 for it. So go on Amazon and you can find stencils for just about anything that you're looking for. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any other ideas or things that you want to see me do. So leave a comment, like, subscribe, share. Do whatever you have to do, but just keep coming back. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you on my next video. Okay, all right, bye now.